on stage, Globe Business Head of Marketing, Jonathan Cristobal.
Every bold transformation begins with courage. And we at Globe Business believe that courage starts with clarity. Hello everyone, magandang umaga. My name is Jonathan Cristobal or John D. Cristobal, and I'm here very excited because I'll be sharing with you something that Filipino businesses can use to navigate through the often complicated world of digital transformation. Ano nga ba ang digital transformation? I'll give some examples. Sa mga companies nyo, yung internet connection ba nag-elevate into a direct internet connection? In-elevate ba yung mga mobile packages nyo? Nag-explore na ba ng bagong customer relationship management system, HR payroll, may bagong cybersecurity protocol, or even cloud system? All of those are examples of solutions under digital transformation. Now, before I start, tingnan muna natin yung landscape ng digital transformation. So, in Asia Pacific, 79 to 82% of businesses or C-level executives of businesses identified that digital transformation is a priority in their business. They acknowledge that digital transformation has a direct impact on revenue. They are all in agreement that it has to be strategically undertaken because it provides businesses that competitive advantage to move forward and grow sustainably. However, so sinabi ko na, 79 to 82% of businesses or business leaders agree digital transformation is important. However, a whopping 90% of businesses have told us that they are having difficulty realizing the returns on investment in digital transformation. Hindi nila nakukuha yung balik. So, bakit nangyayari ito? Look at your own businesses in your own companies. Di ba nangyari na there was a solution that was implemented in sales na hindi nagtutugma dun sa HR at sa operations? Hindi ba? Siloed adoption, siloed implementation. And if it's already working perfectly as an ecosystem in digital solutions in your companies, there will come a time that you have to elevate because your business scales up. And when that happens, your ecosystem of solutions need to scale up as well. And most businesses find it difficult. In the hundreds of businesses that we have talked to, they told us that one, if businesses are already traversing the digital transformation journey, a lot of them get stuck. At some point, they will get stuck. What's next? Ano na ba yung susunod? I cannot scale up. My people are not embracing this transformation. Or for businesses who are just starting their digital journey, the biggest pain point is, saan ako magsisimula? Where do I start? Where do I begin? Napakalaking pain point for them. And this is where Digitest comes in. Globe Business's Digitest is much like a diagnostic tool. If you talk to a consultant, ang unang tatanungin sa inyo ng consultant are questions to identify your current state. Ano ba yung current status ng solutions mo, your current state of digital maturity, and this is what Digitest does. It will provide you with that digital maturity assessment that will help you analyze your current stage. The solutions that you're currently using, is it already efficient? Or provide you a roadmap if you want to traverse to the next stage of digital maturity. Now, Digitest rests on 5 stages of digital maturity. And I'm going to share you these 5 stages. So most businesses start being an observer. So pag ang negosyo nyo is observer pa lang in terms of digital transformation, very manual pa lang ang processes. Very limited digital tools usage. Then, a business can now move to the next stage, which is an explorer stage. Here, businesses start by the word of it, exploring automated tools or automation tools, and start diving into more digital initiatives. Then the third stage, which is adopter stage. Businesses under this stage now start using more and more their digital tools to impact productivity and efficiency. Then a business moves towards becoming more proficient. So a proficient business in this stage will have their digital tools really embedded in their operations daily already. And then ultimately, a business will achieve an innovator stage, wherein a business has digital adoption at the very core of its operations and in everything that it does. They have a lot of cutting edge technology already. So 5 stages: observer, explorer, adopter, proficient, and innovator. Digitest will allow you to diagnose your business, where you sit, so that you can identify how to maximize your current stage or even have a roadmap on how to progress in the next stages. So with Globe Business Digitest, what do you get? The first one is you get a comprehensive assessment. So we have a user-friendly digital questionnaire, very quick i-fill up ito, that evaluates a company across 5 or 6 key domains. No? Yung sinabi ko kanina na stages, it is overlaid with 6 key domains. Yung negosyo nyo ba, aligned yung digital transformation to the vision and strategy? Is it aligned to your business's customer experience? How about operations and processes? Aligned rin ba yan sa data and technology readiness ng negosyo? How about people and capabilities? Also, makikita natin doon if your business has the appetite for investment and prioritization. Ayan. Another thing that businesses will get from Digitest is a report with tailored recommendations. After taking the Digitest, you will get a quick summary of your digital maturity stage, your key strengths, and areas to improve on. Plus, tailored tips and digital solutions that align and is on track towards the roadmap that will be given to you if and when you are ready to progress to the next stage. Digitest can be taken via your mobile phone, your laptop, or your desktop. No? In just minutes, in just a few clicks, companies can gain the clarity to have that fearless thirst for growth. Because Digitest is backed by insights. And mind you, local insights or local business insights. And it's powered by Globe Business Partnership. Ultimately, Digitest empowers companies to scale transformation with confidence, replacing guesswork. So wala na yung ano ba yung uunahin kong solution, ano yung next na i-explore ko. Plus, it gives you concrete, actionable roadmap for continuous progress in your digital transformation journey. And alam naman natin, this holiday season, a lot of business will scale up their operations. Now is the time for most businesses to actually start trying this tool out. No? A lot of this will identify some quick adjustments to your solutions that could help you cope with the rising demands this holiday season. Also, I would like to emphasize, while Digitest fuels productivity, we have to also embrace that as Digitest improves the business performance, ultimately, ang impact niyan, syempre, to the employees, to the customers, and the communities that these businesses operate in. So, whether your company is just starting up in your digital transformation journey, or nasa gitna na kayo ng digital transformation journey nyo, or kahit innovator na kayo, you can still maximize, no? Digitest is there to provide you with insights, guidance, and the confidence to take the next step. With clarity comes courage, and with courage comes efficient digital transformation. And that is the power of Globe Businesses Digitest, helping Filipino businesses thrive today, tomorrow, and beyond. Oh, by the way, don't miss your chance to experience Digitest firsthand. You can visit our booth back there on the side of the stairway, and take the digital maturity test. Again, in just minutes, you can find out how your business or your companies can move forward with clarity and confidence. Thank you and good morning to all.